Wake up. It's a new dawn, a fresh start, a chance to embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Open your eyes to a brand new day. Feel the warmth of the morning sun as it gently kisses your skin, inviting you to step into the light. Feel the energy of a universe brimming with possibilities, an energy that flows through every fiber of your being, waiting to be harnessed. This energy resides within you as well. It is the spark that ignites your passions, the force that drives you forward, the light that guides your way. You are a universe unto yourself, a complex and beautiful tapestry of experiences, dreams, and aspirations. Each moment, each breath, is a thread in this grand design. Embrace the wonder of your existence. Stand tall, with arms outstretched, and feel the connection to the world around you. The mountains, the sky, the very air you breathe, all are part of this magnificent journey. As you take your first conscious breaths, remember this: you are capable of amazing things. Each breath is a reminder of your potential, a testament to your strength. You are capable of amazing things. Every goal you achieve, every victory you celebrate, is a reflection of the power within you. You have the power to shape your day, your life, and your reality. Start with intention. Start with gratitude. Write down your dreams. Practice gratitude for the blessings you have, and visualize the future you desire. Start with the belief that the universe has your back. Trust in the journey, have faith in your path, and know that you are supported by the boundless energy of the cosmos. Embrace the day with confidence and joy, knowing that you are a powerful creator of your own destiny. Gratitude is a powerful force. It has the ability to transform our lives in ways we might not even realize. By acknowledging the good in our lives, we can shift our mindset and open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. It shifts our perspective, allowing us to see the good even amidst challenges. When we focus on what we have rather than what we lack, we cultivate a sense of contentment and peace. This shift in perspective can be the key to unlocking a more fulfilling and joyful life. When we approach our day with a grateful heart, we open ourselves to the abundance that surrounds us. Every moment becomes an opportunity to appreciate the beauty and wonder of life. The morning sky, the fresh air, the simple act of breathing, all these become sources of joy and inspiration. Be thankful for the simple things: a warm cup of coffee that awakens your senses and prepares you for the day ahead, the laughter of loved ones that fills your heart with warmth, the beauty of nature that reminds you of the world's endless wonders. These small moments, often taken for granted, are the building blocks of a grateful life. Be thankful for the challenges that have shaped you, for they have made you stronger and more resilient. Each obstacle you've overcome has taught you valuable lessons and helped you grow into the person you are today. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. They are not setbacks, but stepping stones on your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Gratitude is not about ignoring difficulties. It's about recognizing the good alongside the challenging, finding the silver linings in every situation. By doing so, we can maintain a positive outlook even in the face of adversity. It's about recognizing the good alongside the challenging, finding the silver linings, and shifting our focus towards appreciation. This mindset allows us to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience, and shifting our focus towards appreciation. By keeping a gratitude journal, we can make this practice a daily habit. Writing down the things we are grateful for helps to reinforce positive thinking and keeps us grounded in the present moment. Gratitude fuels our journey, giving us the strength to keep moving forward. It acts as a guiding light, illuminating our path and helping us to stay focused on what truly matters. With a grateful heart, we can face any challenge and continue to grow and thrive. The universe operates in mysterious ways. We may not always understand the twists and turns, the detours and delays. Trust that there is a bigger picture, a grand design beyond our immediate comprehension. Have faith in the process, even when it feels uncertain. Embrace the unknown, for it is often in the unexpected where we find our greatest growth. Let go of the need to control every outcome. Surrender to the mystery and allow the universe to guide you towards your highest good. Dreams are the seeds of possibility. They are the whispers of our deepest desires, the visions that dance in our minds when we dare to imagine a future beyond the ordinary. They ignite our passions and fuel our ambitions. These dreams light a fire within us, pushing us to strive for something greater, something that transcends the mundane routines of daily life. But dreams alone are not enough. They are the starting point, the spark that sets everything in motion. Without action, they remain just that, dreams. We must be willing to put in the work, to transform those dreams into reality. This requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to face challenges head-on, to show up day after day, even when it's hard. It's in these moments of struggle and perseverance that we build the strength and resilience needed to succeed. Your efforts are not in vain. Every ounce of energy you pour into your goals, every late night and early morning is a step forward. Every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. Each action, each decision brings you closer to the life you envision, brings you closer to your goals. The journey may be long and arduous, but every milestone reached is a testament to your hard work and determination. Embrace the journey, with all its challenges and triumphs. It's in the journey that we find growth, learning, and the true essence of our dreams. Remember, the greatest rewards come from the pursuit of our dreams. It's not just the destination that matters, but the person we become along the way. From the dedication and perseverance we invest in ourselves. Each moment of effort, each act of courage, shapes our destiny and leads us to triumph. Section 5. The sacred space of your aspirations. Keep your dreams close to your heart. Share them selectively with those who support and uplift you. Not everyone will understand your vision, and that's okay. Your dreams are yours to nurture, to protect from negativity and doubt. Create a sacred space within yourself where your aspirations can flourish, free from judgment or criticism. Section 6. Rising above the noise, doubters, and detours. There will be doubters. There will be setbacks. There will be moments when you question everything. Don't let the noise of the world drown out the whispers of your own heart. Don't let the opinions of others define your worth or limit your potential. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you realize. Rise above the challenges. Believe in yourself even when others don't. Section 7. The strength of self-belief, your internal compass. Self-belief is not about arrogance or ego. It's about trusting your intuition, your inner wisdom. It's about recognizing your own strength and resilience, even in the face of adversity. Listen to that quiet voice within. It knows your path, even when you feel lost. Trust yourself. Believe in your ability to overcome obstacles and achieve your dreams. Your inner compass will always guide you home. Section 8. The universe's whisper. You are never alone. You are not alone on this journey. The universe has your back. It conspires to support you even when you can't see it. Feel the energy of the universe surrounding you, guiding you and cheering you on. You are loved, you are supported, you are worthy. Open your heart to receive the universe's love and guidance. Section 9. Embracing failure as fuel for growth. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone. Embrace your mistakes as opportunities for learning and growth. Don't be afraid to stumble. It's in those moments of falling that we discover our resilience. It's in those moments of vulnerability that we find our true strength. Rise from the ashes of your setbacks, wiser and more determined than before. Section 10. The joy of continuous learning, expanding your horizons. Life is a journey of continuous learning. Approach each day with curiosity and an open mind. Seek out new experiences. Embrace challenges as opportunities to expand your knowledge and understanding. The world is your classroom. Be an eager student. The more you learn, the more you realize how much more there is to discover. Embrace the journey of lifelong learning. Section 11. Stepping into your power, one inspired day at a time. Start your day inspired. Embrace the power of gratitude. Trust in the universe's plan. Believe in yourself. You have everything you need within you to create a life filled with purpose, joy, and meaning. Step into your power, embrace the journey. The universe has your back.